Hi YouTube, today we're going to have a look at the all-new Chime Pro from Ring. Okay folks, so this is the new Chime Pro. It's replacing the earlier version, which looked pretty much something like this, but with two antennas coming out of the top. This one has all the same functionality as the previous one. It does extend your Wi-Fi, but it also extends 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. This one also has a built-in nightlight on the bottom to illuminate your hallway or wherever you decide to place it, and that's a feature that the previous one didn't have. And obviously, as we can see from the packaging, it's a completely different design to the older version. So without further ado, let's get this thing opened up and have a look. Okay, so the first thing we're presented with inside the box is plug adapters. This one I do believe comes with the UK and the European adapters. So we'll just have a look. Yeah, so we have the UK and also the European 2-pin plug, which we won't be needing, so I'll put that back in the box. Okay, so next in the box we have some paperwork. So here we have an instruction booklet on how to set the Chime Pro up. A manual with some safety instructions and also the warranty terms and conditions. Okay, so that's the box now empty, and here we have the actual Chime itself. So we'll remove that out of the box. On the back there is a QR code and MAC address information, which you can use the app to scan to set up instead of detecting it on your network, but you can do it that way as well if you wish to do so. On the previous model, there is a MAC address, but it's actually underneath where the plug slides on. So you have to actually slide the plug adapter off to access that. But I believe that's a thing they've brought in since originally releasing the doorbells. I will be using this with the Ring Doorbell Pro. There is a video of me originally setting this up from a couple of years ago, so there will be a link in the description below where you can watch that if you wish to do so. Okay, so there we go. We now have the plug slid onto the bottom. We have the reset switch on the side. Press and hold that in for 5 seconds. And on the bottom we have an aperture where the LED nightlight shines out. And I do believe somewhere here there is a blue ring LED that lights up once this is all operational and connected. Okay then, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this in and get it all set up. Okay, so excuse the crude 4-way power strip here. Obviously that's not going to be where it is connected for the remainder of its life. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plug it in, do the setup. So without further ado, let's crack on and get this done. So first of all, what we need to do is plug the doorbell in. And I'm not sure if you can see it illuminating. There is a slight little green, oh it's gone blue now, LED. So meanwhile on the app I'm going to go to setup device and we're going to go to Chimes. We can scan the QR code, but obviously that is now plugged in. So setup without scanning. We now have the Chime Pro 2nd generation, and now it's asking me for a PIN code. Whether I can see it now or not is a different story. Yeah, I can just about see it. Good job I didn't plug it into the wall. 3, 7. Okay, so this is going to be set up in the hallway. Select hallway. Yes, the Chime Pro is on. The light isn't flashing green, it's flashing blue. Right, so what we need to do is press and hold the button.
Welcome to Ring. Chime Pro is in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
There we go. Okay, so what I now need to do is drop out of the app and into my settings and connect to the Chime itself. It does set up its own small Wi-Fi, so I'm going to do that now.
Chime Pro is connecting to your Wi-Fi network. Chime Pro is connected to your Wi-Fi network. With Ring, you're always home. Your Chime Pro is installing an update. Some features may be unavailable until the update is complete.
Okay, so that setup was a little bit troublesome, but it is installing an update as well at the same time. I do believe it's just restarting as well now, so that should be all well and good. If you do wish to use the Wi-Fi extend that's built into the Chime Pro, you do need to reset all of your Ring devices that connect to your Wi-Fi and connect it to the actual Ring Chime Pro instead. So for the doorbell, that means taking the cover off and hitting the reset button, etc, etc. So for the moment, I'm going to leave the doorbell on its existing Wi-Fi connection, and then at some point I will swap it over, see if there's any improvements. Okay then, so that's pretty much it, guys. That is the all new Ring Chime Pro. Obviously this works with all the Ring doorbell products, and it also works with all the existing other chimes as well if you wish to have numerous chimes throughout your home. I will provide a link in the description below where you can purchase one of these from Amazon if you do wish to get one. And as usual, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share this video with everyone you know.